Hey gang, it's Scott Curcio from Baird Warner Real Estate in Chicago, and it's time for our first quarter market recap. We've all read the media stories. You've read it. You've seen it. It was crazy. It continues to be crazy. We've got low inventory and low interest rates, and that is really driving buyer demand. I'm going to dive into some numbers and some thoughts at the end. So let's start with condos. Number of closed this quarter versus last year, first quarter up 31%. Our average sales price was up almost 7%, and our contracts up 58%. Just think about that. 58% more contracts of condos and townhomes this quarter, first quarter, versus last first quarter. Just unreal. Single family homes, average sales price up 20%. Not really a surprise there. Our number of closed up 10%. Contracts up 25%. And again, this is comparing first quarter 2021 to first quarter 2020. And what's more exciting is, remember, last year was leap year, so there was one extra day in the first quarter last year than this year. So it's even more, the numbers, if we did them by day, would even skew a little bit more. 2 to 4 units, always one of my favorite categories if you follow along here regularly. Up, the average sales price up 20%, closed up almost 16%, and our pendings up almost 59%. Just wow. I think we're going to see, we'll see if we see some of the same I want to call it exaggerated growth, because we've never seen it like this before. It's never been a spring market like this. So it's really, really crazy. I'm going to be very curious to see where we are, if we see a slowdown, and how the summer impacts. A lot of people saying that this summer that, you know, people are, with vaccinations coming and travel back, that people are going to just go, and housing is going to kind of take a back seat. And I'm one of those people. I happen to think that we are maybe seeing a lot of early activity, and that come summer, maybe things are going to chill a little bit. And, you know, probably July, August, probably September too, everyone's going to be kind of, you know, having a life, going back to travel, doing fun things, like not worrying about the pandemic as much anymore. So it'll be very interesting to see. We're, of course, watching that story very closely, and we'll keep bringing you updates as we move here. But that's our first quarter 2021. We'll see you soon.